Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Samarth Official. In the previous video, you had learnt about how to model a screw spindle part using CATIA V5 part modeling. In this video, you'll learn about how to model a body part from the same screw jack assembly using CATIA V5 part modeling. The commands used for this model are axis, profile, constraint, corner and shaft. So you can see this part is axis symmetric. So you can model the symmetric part section of this and you can revolve it over the axis of revolution. Open CATIA V5 interface, click on start mechanical design part design, go to tools, options, parameters and measurements, check the units whether it is in millimeters or not. If not, change the units, click on OK. Select the YZ plane, click on sketch. It will take you to Sketcher workbench. Select axis, check for the blue line, click here. Okay, select the profile, make a rough profile, horizontal line, click here, vertical line, click here, again horizontal, click here, inclined, click here, horizontal, click here, vertical, click here, horizontal, click here, vertical, horizontal line, click here, check for parallelity, check for parallel, and close the loop. Okay, now select constraint, select this axis line, select this vertical line, delete constraint, select this axis line, select this vertical line, double click on this, and this is 50 by 2. Again select the constraint, select this axis line, select this vertical line, double click, 70 by 2. Select this axis line, press Ctrl, select this point, click on constraint, double click on this, 66 by 2. So again select this line, click on constraint, double click on this, 20. Select this axis line and press Ctrl, select this vertical line, go to constraint, double click on this, this is 140 by 2. And again select this axis line, press Ctrl, select this vertical line, click on constraint, double click on this, and this is 100 by 2. Okay, again select this line, press Ctrl, select this line, select this line, press Ctrl, select this line, go to constraint, double click on this, enter 3. Okay, select this line, control select this line, click on constraint, double click on this, enter 10. So select this baseline, press control, select this top line, go to constraint, double click on this 185. Okay, fit. You can see this. Select this line, click on constraint, double click on this, enter 40. Select axis, press control, select this point, click on constraint, double click on this 50, press enter. Okay, now select this horizontal axis, press control, select this line, click on constraint, double click on this 40. Go to fit in all. So now you can see the sketch is fully constrained. So now exit workbench. So select the shaft. So click on preview. Click on OK. So fit in all. Click on isometric. Okay. Thank you.